Hey Blakers, your wellness team is going to be bringing you nutrition tips of the week. So we wanted you to know that the way that you fuel your body really affects the way that your body feels and works for you. Especially if you're growing, it's important to give your cells as much nutrition as possible. So today I'm making some eggs, and my nutrition tip of the week is to incorporate vegetables into as many meals and snacks as you can. I looked in my fridge to see what we had available, and I had some mushrooms, some onions, and some broccoli left over from last night's dinner. So I'm going to actually have some eggs today, but I'm going to add these vegetables to the eggs. So first thing I'm going to do is saute these in some olive oil. The broccoli's cooked, and the onions and mushrooms here are raw. So the vegetables have finished cooking, and you can use raw vegetables. I just prefer my vegetables cooked. And we've got a nice hot skillet ready to go for the omelet. We're going to flick some water, make sure that's ready to go. You don't have to use butter. You can use a nonstick spray, or in a skillet like this, you don't even really need any spray. But I do like to add butter to my omelets. I like the flavor and I like the consistency. So now we're going to add our eggs. When you hear that sizzle, that's how you know your skillet's the right temperature. So now we're going to create the omelet, which doesn't take much time. Now omelets don't have to be flipped. I'm gonna try to flip this one because that's how I like it, but as long as you get the egg fully cooked, you really don't need to flip them. And you can use different size skillets. This just happens to be the size that I prefer. A larger skillet will cook the egg a little bit faster because it's got more surface area. Okay, the bottom side of that is all touching the skillet, so the egg underneath is now getting cooked, but as you can see, the egg on top is not, so I'm actually going to flip this over. And this will be ready in just a minute. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. You can add more, or you can omit the cheese. And here go my vegetables. Now you don't have to use this amount, but I love vegetables, and I'm really looking to get the most nutrition that I can out of this meal, so it will carry me through to my next meal. And then I'm going to flip it over and serve it onto my plate. And if you want to go for some style points, you can add a little cheese to the top. And I like to, as those of you know me, know I like to add a little green salsa made from tomatillas. And there, a little freshly grated pepper. And we are ready to go, eating a really nutritious meal. Enjoy!